How's it going, guys? Well, today is the best day of my life, basically. I just got this in the mail. It is my holy grail of horror items or figures. It is my 1/4 scale premium format Leatherface, the exclusive version. Only 200 of the exclusive versions were made, and the exclusive piece is this bucket of blood with a mallet in it. You can actually take the mallet out. It's actually pretty heavy too. But I'm going to try to shut up and just show you guys some of the awesome detail in this figure. I'm speechless. You can actually see his eyes and his mouth in there, his teeth. Clothes are perfect. Match the movie exactly. That is his bone. Bracelet. I'm not sure if it's bone or teeth. I'm pretty sure it's bone though. Chainsaw there. It comes with like a road platform. One thing about the figure I didn't know is he actually comes with the wound when he cut himself with the chainsaw. It would have been cooler if they would have put a little bit more detail in there, but all they did was cut the pants and paint the leg red, but that's kind of cool. Sideshow took a gamble with this pose, but you know, I got a Jason one, and he just stands upright. Not too out of the ordinary. They went for this pose and took a gamble, and they won. I love it. Excellent, excellent figure. Couldn't be more happy with it. If you guys get a chance, don't let it pass up. I know it goes for a lot of money, but if you are a big Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan like I am, you need this in your collection. He is the holy grail of Texas Chainsaw Massacre items, in my opinion. Well, guys, thanks for watching. And have a good one.